We're learning that Delhi Water Minister, of course, Atishi, is on that indefinite hunger strike. Today marks the third day of a protest. She said that despite Haryana government saying the state has no water, people have gone to Hathni Kund Barrage and showed them that, in fact, there is water to provide to Delhi. However, Atishi claimed that the gate from which water is released for Delhi has been closed.
आज मेरे अनिश्चितकालीन अनशन का तीसरा दिन है। मैं इस अनशन पे इसलिए बैठी हूँ क्योंकि दिल्ली में पानी का बहुत संकट है। दिल्ली में पानी की बहुत कमी है। दिल्ली में अपना पानी नहीं है। दिल्ली का सारा पानी पड़ोसी राज्यों से आता है। दिल्ली में कुल पानी 1005 MGD है, जिसमें से 613 MGD यानी 613 मिलियन गैलन प्रतिदिन हरियाणा से आता है। लेकिन पिछले 3 हफ्ते से हरियाणा ने अपना पानी कम कर दिया है। वो दिल्ली को पानी दे नहीं रहे। वो सिर्फ 513 MGD यानी 100 मिलियन गैलन प्रतिदिन कम पानी दिल्ली के लिए छोड़ रहे हैं। 1 MGD पानी से 28,500 लोगों को पानी मिलता है। यानी जब हरियाणा 100 MGD पानी 100 मिलियन गैलन प्रतिदिन पानी कम छोड़ रहा है, तो दिल्ली के 28 लाख लोगों को पानी नहीं मिल रहा है।
Mehendee Garg is joining us for more details on this story. Mehendee, Atishi now levelling the allegation. In fact, that's what Saurabh Bhardwaj also said earlier, saying that since she sat on that hunger strike, Haryana is further reducing water supply to Delhi.
So yesterday, amid the problem of water crisis in the Delhi NCR and the national capital, the war of words still continues between the Bharatiya Janata Party and Aam Aadmi Party. And today, Atishi, the water minister of Delhi, entered her third day of the survey, and we are showing you the visuals from her indefinite hunger strike. You can see here the visuals here are a lot of Aam Aadmi Party कार्यकर्ता.
Visuals here are a lot of Aam Aadmi Party कार्यकर्tas are sitting here, and this indefinite hunger strike that has been called by Atishi, the water minister of the national capital, will be coming here again, and this indefinite hunger strike will resume once again, along with all the senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, whether it's Sanjay Singh or Gopal Rai. Both these ministers will accompany Atishi today here in the indefinite hunger strike that has been declared by Atishi 3 days back, and today is the third day of this indefinite hunger strike, which is the matter of water crisis has been politicized all over the Delhi capital, because the war of words has been increasing up and heating up between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Today early in the morning, Atishi released a video once again blaming Haryana for not releasing enough water for the Delhi people, and she is allegedly accusing Haryana's government and the Bharatiya Janata Party's government that they are releasing less water than they're supposed to, due to which Delhi people are not getting enough water. And he specifically mentioned the Hathni Kund supply, where she allegedly has again said that from there the barriers have been closed by the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Haryana's government, and not enough water is coming from the Hathni Kund to Delhi. So these are the accusations that are being put on by the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, whether it's Atishi or whether it's Saurabh Bhardwaj. Also, Saurabh Bhardwaj also has said that it is Haryana's fault that they are not releasing water for the Delhi NCR peopleites and Delhites. But if we talk about the people in power, the Bharatiya Janata Party, they are still protesting against
Yes.
Aam Aadmi Party, and they are saying that it is the mismanagement and the corruption of the Aam Aadmi Party, due to which Delhites are facing this water crisis issue. So this is the third day of Atishi's indefinite hunger strike, and she has said that it will continue to go on.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.